Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we solve internal question. Write an algorithm for the runge kutta fourth order method for solving the ordinary equation, differential equation. Okay, so we solve the question. So first of all, we write runge kutta fourth order method formula. Yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h by 6 k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4, and k is equal to 1 by 6 k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus 4, where the k1 is equal to hf of xn and yn, and k2 is equal to hf of xn plus h by 2 and yn plus k1 by 2, and k3 is equal to hf of xn plus h by 2 and yn plus k2 by 2, and k4 is equal to hf of xn plus h and yn plus k3. So we write a algorithm for the runge kutta fourth order method. Okay, so in the first step we write a x1, y1, h and f of x. Okay, in the second step we write a while loop and take a condition. If take a condition x1 is less than equal to x of f and do and begin. Okay, now we write a x1 and a y1. Okay, so k1 is equal to k1, so we take a values in k1, f of y1 and y2, f of x1 and y1. Okay, now in the fifth step, x2 is equal to x1 plus 0.5 h, y2 is equal to y1 plus 0.5 h k1, and we take a x1 and we take a x2 and y2 value in k2, so we write a k2 is equal to f of x2 and y2. Okay, now in the next step we not change the x2 value, because we look at the k2 formula and k3 formula, the x term xn plus h by 2, and in the k3 formula xn plus h by 2 the term is same, so we not change the x2 formula, only we change the k3's yn y2 formula, because in the k2 formula we take values of yn plus k1 by 2, so and in k3 we take yn plus k2 by 2, not a k1 by 2, so we change the k2 formula, y2 formula. Okay, so y2 is equal to y1 plus 0.5 k2 into h in the k3, so we take values of x2 and y2, so k3 is equal to f of x2 and y2. Okay, now in the next step we take x2 and y2, because we look a formula of k3 and k4, so k4 x term and y term are different to the k3 term, so we update the x2 and y2 values. So now x2 is equal to x1 plus h, and y2 is y1 plus k3 into h, and k4 is equal to f of x2 and y2. Now we take a k formula, and k formula is k is equal to 1 by 6 k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4, so we here the put in this formula using the algorithm, k is equal to k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4, so the y2 we take a y2 in is equal to y1 plus h k by 6, and this x2 value we put in the x1 value, and y2 value we put in the y1 value, and end of the while loop. Okay, now we start in second step, end of the while loop and end of the algorithm. Okay guys, I hope you get this algorithm. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel.